Hello friends, myself Professor D.B. Madihalli, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering in Hiras Sugar Institute of Technology in SOC. In this video, I am going to explain about one topic of the basic electronics subject, that is SCR characteristics, silicon controlled rectifier characteristics. So this is the characteristics of SCR. So in this case, the both forward and reverse characteristics we have to study. So for forward characteristics, we are using the two parameters, forward current and forward voltage. So when the SCR is turned on, so during the SCR is turned off, so we are getting one more region, that is a reverse blocking region, reverse breakdown region, that is by using the parameters of reverse voltage and reverse current. So first we'll discuss about the forward region of the SCR. Okay, so initially at this level both forward voltage and forward current are zero level. As the forward voltage increases, a very small amount of forward current is also increases up to certain level. Okay, up to this VBR point. VBR is a forward breakover voltage. Okay, up to from 0 to VBR point, as VF increases with respect to VF, the IF also increases in very small amount, and that part of region is called as a forward blocking region. Okay, and it shows that this forward blocking region shows that when Ig is equal to 0, then what is Ig? It is a gate current. When gate current is 0, so at that time, so this region is totally off condition, that's what is called as a forward blocking region. Okay, so when the forward voltage increases up to VBR, that means a reverse breakover voltage, then the SCR will turn on and get the high current results. Then whatever the drop across the SCR reduces suddenly, which is now the ohmic region drop in the 4 layers. And whatever the current, so that current must be limited only by the external resistance in series with the device. And it also shows that if the gate bias is used, then the gate current Ig increases. So when the gate current Ig increases, so at that time the less voltage is required to turn on the SCR. So now at Ig is equal to 0, it is turned off. So when the gate current is increases, then 0 ampere. So at that time less voltage is required to turn on the SCR. And second point, if the forward current falls below the level of holding current, so this is nothing but holding current. This is nothing but holding current. If the forward current falls below the level of the holding current, at that time the deflection region begins to develop around the junction J2 and device goes into the forward blocking region. So that always the forward current should be more than holding current. If it is less than holding current, again it comes in the forward blocking region, then the SR will be turned off condition. Okay. And next point is, when the SCR is turned on from off state and whatever the forward current, that forward current is above the holding current, when SCR is turned on from off state, at that time the forward current is above the level of holding current, and that current is called as a IL. That means latching current. Latching current. The latching current is slightly higher than the holding current. The latching current is, consider we have the latching current point in this. So as the forward voltage increases slowly, the latching current also increases with respect to the forward current. Okay. Then come in the discussion of negative, that means reverse breakdown region. Already you studied this part of region in PN junction diode, then Zener diode. Okay. So basically at this level both reverse voltage and reverse current are zero level. As reverse voltage increases, so a very small amount of reverse current also increases. Okay. So suddenly when the reverse current increases, suddenly there is a change in the reverse current when with respect to VR. So that voltage is called as a reverse breakdown voltage. Reverse breakdown voltage or reverse blocking region. So when suddenly the reverse current increases like this, so that region is called as a reverse blocking region. In this, whatever the device we are using, if suddenly the reverse current increases, it comes under the breakdown region. It means avalanche region.